Okay, soup's done. It's so delicious. You have to try this vegetarian Cajun, Creole or Cajun soup, gumbo soup. I call it a Creole gumbo soup. It's delicious. It's just, the techniques are pretty much the same, but I'm using vegetables instead. So here, you take your beautiful bowl, your favorite bowl, which mine is always a white bowl, and you just take your soup, right? Put it in there in the middle. Yeah. And then take a little towel. You always want to wipe off those little extra dribbles on there. My mouth is already. And then you take a piece of your cornbread, which is what I've made here. Okay. Take a piece of your cornbread. And I use a half a recipe to get this smaller amount of cornbread. Just kind of put it on there like that. And I made some fried green tomatoes. Put a fried green tomato on there. And then maybe a little squash just to give it a little garnish. And honey, there you have it. So I think this is a nice little presentation, and I think if you served it like this, if you're doing a party, a sit down, this is a delicious soup. So try it. I think you'll like it. Okay. Talk to you later. Okay, bye.